Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T30 Transporter Highline. This vehicle comes in the long wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS. Accompanying this is a 5-speed manual transmission. The van comes finished in the metallic paint colour Fortana red, and across the front of the vehicle it features a colour coordinated front bumper, complete with a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design, as well as finished in a silver colour. The vehicle comes with a tailgate towards the rear of the vehicle, as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the load area of the transporter, it comes fully ply-lined, as well as having multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle through a single sliding door. There's a step for easy access, and a full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. There's an armrest on the driver's seat, and this is accompanied by a twin-seater passenger bench. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, FM, AM as well as DAB. Users can also opt to use the App Connect feature, which allows the user to connect their smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Located just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. This vehicle comes with climatic air conditioning. Further down to the left there is a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, and if you're keeping those smart devices charged while on the go, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multi-function leather-trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.